Hi, and welcome to COMS 1411 lab for this fall 2020 semester. Almost all of you should be in my 1403 class as well, and so if you've already watched the video for that class, this one's going to be pretty similar. But I think I did have one or two students that were only in the lab portion and or only in the class portion, and so you also get a welcome video for this. So my name is Becky Cunningham, and I will be your instructor for this course. So this course is totally virtual. There are no set times that you have to be online for this course. This is a 1-hour lab course. So for a normal 3-hour class, normally you go to class 3 hours per week. Labs are set up so that you typically only go one time per week, but it's for a 2-hour block, and you do all of the work required in the lab. We're not meeting, so all of that's really irrelevant except to say this. You're going to do more work for a 3-hour class than you're going to do for a 1-hour class. So in the 1403 class, you're going to have probably several things that you do per week. You're going to have a textbook where you read and do activities. The lab is not like that. The lab will be used to help supplement and maybe practice some of what is taught in the 1403 class, but the assignments are totally standalone. And so we'll have labs, like one of our labs is how to build a web page using HTML and cascading style sheets. That's one. One of our labs coming up soon will be binary, and we might have a couple of labs on that. To be honest, I haven't developed all of them yet. But knowing binary is important for some of your other classes if you're a computing major. And I realize that some of you are not a computing major, but hey, you get to do all that fun stuff with the computing majors, and it's really interesting. So it might be so interesting that you want to switch your major. No, I'm kidding. I'm not trying to recruit anybody. Anyway, this class will work, again, very similar to the 1403 in that the class will be designed on a weekly basis. So weeks start on Monday and they run through the following Sunday night. And so at any point during that time, you can get on and complete the lab for that week. So you'll have one lab. It may involve, me teaching something like with binary, or you watching some videos to learn something and then applying what you learn. Or it may be, hey, work through this HTML tutorial and build this web page and submit your web page to me. But typically it's just one thing. So a lot less work than the 1403 class. So just like the class, I'm excited to get to work with you this semester. I'm hearing some background noise, so I decided to do this outside because the picture was really grainy in my house. So I'm outside and I'm hearing some loud engines going on. I hope it's not too bad on the video. But anyway, I'm excited to get started, and let me know if you have any questions. Just like in the 1403, I have office hours set aside each week to help you should you need assistance with anything, and certainly willing to meet with you outside of those times if those are not conducive to you. And I'll be going over the syllabus and things like that in another video. This one was just a quick hello, this is who I am. Welcome, and let's get started.